Hey there, creators! Are you ready to take your content game to the next level? Imagine turning your ideas into stunning videos in just a few clicks. No camera, no crew, no problem. Meet Helio AI, your ultimate tool for converting plain text into professional looking videos. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, educator, a story writer, or just someone who loves to play with AI tools, this tool makes it easier than ever to bring your vision to life. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Helio AI step by step, and trust me, you'll be amazed at how simple and how powerful it is. Ready to lock your creative potential? Let's dive right in. So, to get started, you'll need to search Helio AI on Google or any other browser you like. Once you have searched, click on the first link that you find, and you'll also find the link to this tool in the description below. Now, once the site is loaded, you will be able to see a screen which is similar to this. This tool mainly helps with two main things: text to video and converting images to videos. Let's look at some of the videos which this AI tool has to offer. Look at the variety of and range of different kinds of videos which this AI tool can help you make. As you can see, there are a lot of videos which the AI tool has as demonstrations. These use image to video to make these kind of videos. These are just some of the examples, and you can always copy the prompt by hovering over the video and clicking on copy prompt. If you want to make a similar video to the video you are looking at, just copy the prompt and you're ready to go. Now you can just get started with this AI tool by clicking on sign in on the top right corner, and you can continue with Google or use any other way to log in. By simply putting in some details, which is a really quick process, you'll be logged into the website. Now once you have signed in, you can see a screen similar to this. We'll be looking at the text to video feature in this video. But before getting started, we need to first generate a prompt. Let's go on to ChatGPT for this. Now, once you're on ChatGPT, give a simple prompt which could be something like, give me a storyline prompt that I can change from text to video for each scene of the story. You can see this is the prompt I have given, and hit the send button to send the prompt to ChatGPT. Now it will look at your input and soon generate an output for you. As you can see on the screen, ChatGPT is giving me the output or the response of the prompt I asked it for. You can go through all the different scenes which ChatGPT has given you, and it will give you something like a video idea. So select the video idea and copy it, and once you have copied, paste it in the rectangle box in the Helio AI. Now here's where the magic begins. Once you have pasted the prompt in the rectangle box, click on the 30 to generate. Now remember, you will get 1700 points by default, and this will cost you 30 out of the 1100 credits which you get. Once you have clicked on generate, it will soon start creating a video based on your prompt. Well, while this process might take a little time, trust me, the final end result is really amazing. Now, for the time being that it's creating the video, you can keep yourself involved in watching more videos on this channel to boost your creativity. Okay, so after some time, you can come back to the website and click on the mine on the left bar, as you can see on the screen. Now once you click on mine, you'll see all of the videos which you have generated. Okay, so here as you can see, our video is completely ready and it is generated. You can see a full screen version by clicking on it. As you can see, the video is perfectly aligning with the prompt we gave. The prompt was, show a serene nighttime landscape with Alina sitting on a hill, surrounded by her art supplies, and transition to a glowing object descending and lighting up her amazed face. Once you see the video, you'll realize how stunning of a job the AI tool has done. It's perfectly synced with what we asked it to make. Now, just go back to the screen where we could see the My Creations, and then you can hover on this on your video, and you can click on recreate if you wanted to recreate the video by clicking over here. But I think it has done a great job in creating the perfect video as per the prompt I had given, so I don't think I need to go ahead with the recreate option. Now you can download the video once you're satisfied with it by clicking on the plus sign. This sign to download your video. Or if you just want to share it to someone else, you can simply click on the share option, which is this right side pointing arrow. By clicking on the three dots, you can choose to report the video if there's something wrong, or you can also delete the video. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you got your video perfectly ready. Imagine how it has transformed the way you create videos. It's simple, just a few clicks. Totally effortless, and you'll get the most perfect visuals for your storybooks. Here you can see on the screen the output the AI tool created. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you found this video exciting and useful, do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such AI content. Until next time, happy creating!